In this video, I'll show you two methods to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Method 1 from Privacy Settings. First, open WhatsApp app. Now tap three dot from the right top corner. Then tap Settings. Now tap Privacy. Scroll down until find Default Message Timer and then tap on it. Now select Message Default Timer from 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. That's it. Once you choose a time, the message timer will be turned on for that chat. From now on, new messages sent in this conversation will automatically disappear after the selected time. Method 2. From Storage Settings. Tap three-dot line from top. Then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Storage and Data option. Now tap Message Storage. Under Message Storage tap, turn on Disappearing Messages. Now tap Default Messages Timer and select time for auto-disappear messages from 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. That's it. You've successfully enabled the message timer on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.